So sometimes you may want to go ahead and export out a square video to post in social media. In that case, you can go around and select the S.264 format right here, just like this, and then go around over here onto export setting by clicking on the preset. So once you go ahead and do that, around over here in the resolution section, you can unlink this out, and then what you can do is you can type in the same, like let's say for example it's 1920 by 1080, but let me just go ahead and type in 1080 by 1080 right here, and this is what you have. You got a square video now. So if I were to go around over here in source now, I can actually go ahead and crop out right here just like this as well. So I can go ahead and crop this out right here just like this, and once you do that in the output, you can see that you get a preview of a square video right here just like this. So if I were to actually go around over here onto desktop right here and press OK, let's say for example, and hit the play button, then this is what you have, as you can see. And that is simply how you can go ahead and export out square videos inside of Adobe Media Encoder. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe